Good morning. So today is the first official day of fall, which for me normally just means salted caramel and then cinnamon flavored things. Also rewatching shows. Like for some reason I've been wanting to rewatch Vampire Diaries. Last year I was heavily invested in trying to watch all of Gilmore Girls, which I think that was actually the first time I had watched the whole entire thing. Came upstairs because I wanted to make brown sugar cinnamon pancakes.
I thought you went back upstairs.
So yummy. So I just got done working out at the gym and I decided that I wanted to stop by Barnes & Noble because apparently they have calico critter blind bags, which if you don't know what calico critters are, they're also called Sylvanian families. They're like these little tiny animal figurines, and I actually really wanted to show you guys my collection that I have because my sister and I used to buy them all the time when we lived in Japan, and they were called Sylvanian family there. I wouldn't say that we have like a ginormous collection, but I just remember playing with them all the time and it was like one of my favorite things ever. I did want to buy Sunny Angels for the first time, but the only store that has them near me is Urban Outfitters, and that's all the way in St. Louis, so I don't really feel like driving that far today. So hopefully the calico critters are still in stock here, because if not, I might have to drive that far. Oh my god, these look insane. Oh my god, so cute. Oh my god. Should I just take the whole tray? I got the blind box! I actually walked past it at first. I didn't even notice it because it was like on the very bottom, so I'm glad that I went to double check on it. So I think there are 8 different ones, and I kind of already decided which one I want. I either want this one, this little ghost, Blair, or I want Darren. I'm so scared. They even like put plastic wrap around it so you can't see. I'm trying to open it without looking at it. No! No! Oh, this one is still cute. I think I already have one of these at home. Not like this specific blind box stuff, but literally like this character. Oh, but it comes with a little wand. I just don't like orange outfits. I feel like it always looks funky. I just like don't like the color orange. I'm like debating going back and getting another one because now I want to try and get the other one. I should probably go back home though. I feel like one is enough. This was literally like $5.45. This one calico critter. Jenny better be worth it. I didn't know they had Korean skincare now. already 6:20 right now, and I still haven't studied for the day, so I need to make sure that I start now because I keep getting distracted. All my friends are playing Baldur's Gate, so I really want to play with them, and we also have Duolingo streaks all together, so I've been wanting to get more XP points than them, so I feel like I've just been playing games all day, so it's time to get serious. So it's actually been about 2 days since I last filmed, but today is actually my birthday, and I'm 25 now, which is really crazy to even say out loud. But my boyfriend and I are planning on spending the whole day together, so I'm trying to get ready really quickly because they open pretty early normally, and I want to make sure that we can get some of the good pastries. It's like super rainy and gloomy out, so this is the outfit for today. Even though this is actually like a windbreaker jacket and not a rain jacket, but it has a hood.
2 chocolate almond croissants.
Your own sound effects. Okay, so we got an assortment of sweets. We were gonna get a cake, but I didn't see any that I really wanted to try this time just because I've already had a decent amount of them.
Yeah.
This one is chocolate pecan. It's literally so huge. Ooh, the aftertaste is really good.
Oh, nice.
I like the chocolate chips. Chocolate almond croissant.
Probably one of the best pastries there.
The croissants are so good. And then we have the regular almond croissant, which is even bigger than the chocolate one. But this one is so good. It's so good.
And then your final one?
This is also a new item that I haven't had yet. This is the maple pecan pull aparts. They said that they made it with croissants, I think, and then also added maple and maple glaze and stuff like that.
Exactly.
I think this one would taste better heated up because I feel like it would be more melty.
That was a nice crunch you had.
Yeah, this maple icing that's on top tastes so good.
It tastes like a cinnamon roll.
Yeah. We're not really that hungry yet, so we're gonna go ahead and go probably to Costco because we wanted to eat Korean barbecue tonight for dinner. We have to go grocery shopping before the weather gets worse. It's raining so bad. Into the basket.
Beautiful.
Essential. Oh my gosh, doesn't this look so good though? Literally melon flavored.
All depends on the right timing. Don't wanna
I like these little frogs though. And we don't have rice.
about right now, baby, I'm not there.
I might have moved my camera.
Another, I might not come here. myself. 괜히 일그러게요. Right now, baby, I don't about the other summer. 지금 내가 필요한 건.
I didn't really film much of it earlier, but I wanted to show you guys the presents that I got. So the first one is this zip up from Brandy Melville, my boyfriend bought for me, and this one is a double zipper. And it's so cute. And then my mom sent me some stuff for my birthday from Korea. I just got it today. I had to move the camera so you can see it a little bit better. First we have this toner set from Round Lab. These are all Round Lab products actually. Then we have Doctor Lotion cream set as well. These are literally so big. I'm also a really big fan of anything that's like peanut flavored, so she bought me these peanut flavored snacks. I haven't actually tried these before, but they're like little balls of peanut and rice, I think. And then obviously ojingo tangkong, which is squid peanut snack. And this is literally like one of my favorite snacks I've ever had in my whole entire life. They're so yummy. She bought me this purse from Kate Spade, which is also really cute. I feel like this is something that I wear more like in the winter time though, because I wear a lot more white in the winter than the fall time. It's super cute. I can either wear it on my shoulder or it even has like a crossbody thing, which I really love crossbody bags. And then she also bought me like a crap ton of washcloths. Literally 4 of them. Honestly, you can't go wrong with having washcloths. But I'm so happy with everything that I got. I think we're probably gonna eat bingsu once we get a little bit more stomach, and then my siblings wanted to get together and give me my presents and then also eat some cake.